Hi and welcome. My name is Kritika. And if you're a parent, you're going to watch this video to learn and become more mindful about how you parent your kids. Your parenting style, the one that you use to interact with your child, is most likely going to impact their future success in their romantic, peer, and even parental relationships. Dinah Bombrand in the 1960s coined three broad parenting styles. They were authoritative, authoritarian, and permissive parenting styles. Later on, two researchers added a fourth parenting style called the uninvolved parenting style as well. But in the Indian cultural context, I doubt there is any parent who is uninvolved or neglectful. We may, in fact, have helicopter parenting, but that's for another day. In order to determine which parenting style is being used, we need to look at two particular traits of any parent. One is support, and the second is demandingness. Support refers to the affection, acceptance, and warmth a parent provides to their child. Demandingness is the extent to which a parent tends to control their child's behavior. For the sake of avoiding any form of confusion between the three parenting styles that we are discussing in this video, we are going to be calling the authoritative parenting style as concerted parenting style. So let's recap three parenting styles: authoritarian, permissive, and concerted parenting. Let me explain all these three parenting styles, what they look like on ground, and what kind of outcomes do they lead to. Let's start with authoritarian parenting. In authoritarian parenting, parents typically have low support and high demandingness. These parents also create homes and environments which seem very rigid, well ordered, and have very clearly stated rules. One may say that this parenting style was being used on Harry Potter by his uncle and aunt, and even Cinderella's vindictive stepmother. Children who are raised by parents who are using the authoritarian style end up being obedient and proficient, but also tend to rank lower in self esteem, happiness, and even social competence. On the flip side, we have a permissive parenting style. You may have seen around you that some parents are extremely lenient. They don't say no to their children, they actually practice a lot of yes parenting, and they only step in when there's a big problem. See, these are parents who could be high in support but low in demandingness. They could also be looking like they're constantly indulging their children. Look at their homes. Does it look like that the child is in charge and the child is getting their way all the time? Things are being done as per their wishes. One classic example that I've seen around me, the mom gets to buy a second hand phone or gets the hand me down of the child, but the child gets a brand new phone. That is a classic permissive style household. Even though in these houses and these parent child relationships, the warmth and supportiveness is high, but parents becoming very lenient lead to blurred rules and also end up treating the child as if he or she is the boss. These children end up having a little bit less sense of self regulation, and they even may have problems with authority. One of the classic ways it manifests is they have difficulty in dealing with the real world. See, real world has bosses. Bosses have demands. Bosses have, constraints. There is no value for money because they always got what they wanted, and they may even struggle in relationships. That's what a permissive parenting style leads to. Now let's come to the balanced approach. Concerted parenting style allows parents to have a high amount of supportiveness and a high amount of demandingness without making it unbearable for the child. With concerted parenting, parents get to be highly supportive without getting too overbearing for their parents. In these homes, children end up being calm, happy, confident, and fully self expressed. In general, children who grow up in these homes tend to develop a greater competence and self confidence when parents have high but reasonable and consistent expectations for children's behavior. Communicating well with them, being warm and responsive, and using reasoning rather than coercion to guide children makes them feel confident and develops a huge, strong, stable sense of self for the children as well. So, you see, authoritarian parenting can lead to fear and aggression, while permissive parenting can result in behavioral problems and lack of motivation. The sweet spot is concerted parenting, where children learn to balance independence but with responsibility. Understanding these styles will help you adapt your approach based on the situation, creating a very supportive environment for your child's growth. The idea behind identifying and understanding your parenting style is that you can think of your parenting journey as more like a long distance hike where you don't know which turn will come, what kind of weather it will be. It's full of uncertainty. Similarly, as a parent, let's look at it, with my example. When I was growing up, I didn't have any phones, forget smartphones. When my younger brother was growing up, there were smartphones already. If we look at teenagers right now, they're growing up in the age of ChatGPT and AI everywhere. So the world is rapidly changing. You don't know what life will throw at you. But knowing your parenting style and being conscious and mindful about how you approach and respond to each situation will lead to the kind of relationship that you want to create with your child and what kind of future do you want to shape for them. By the way, we also run a 7-day parenting program focused on the concerted parenting style, wherein we basically talk about approaches and practices for applying concerted parenting style in action. It gives you tools to make your children responsible, confident, as well as tools for you to become more self aware and mindful as a parent. For more details on this parenting course, you can check out the link in our description box. If you like this video, please make sure that you like this, share it with your friends and family, as well as subscribe to our channel because we keep creating more such content. Thanks for watching this video and happy parenting.